Now being loaded, we're only waiting for the rider to climb back on top of horse Wild Wild West. Fernando Raquel Jr. Set to go. Racing as they battle for the pieces of first Chinese-Filipino friendship race. We have showtime. Break quickly restart. King Bull, Wild Wild West, Hookshot, Lollipop is running by the rail while Marines is the early trailer by about 6 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Marines, or rather, number 3, Showtime Lollipop, rushing up down on the inside, King Bull. The next online now is Hookshot, and on the outside comes Wild Wild West, while Marines now racing in less half-mile distance. They travel to Showtime by about 3/4 of a length lead. Lollipop is running by the rail. King Bull comes next, then followed now by Hookshot, Wild Wild West, while Marines is still racing in less inside the 3 octavo. We have Lollipop moving up by the rail, led on the outside, Showtime, King Bull, Hookshot, the next online, Marines, while Wild Wild West is still racing in last 400 meters of the race. Showtime, King Bull now moving up on the outside. Lollipop, Marines likewise arriving at the last day swing for home. We have King Bull, Lollipop, Marines is on the outside. It's now Marines, a long shot to take the lead. Last 50 meters we have Marines, our King Bull, and finally it's Marines, King Bull. Then comes Hookshot, Lollipop, Showtime, and Wild Wild West.
Alright, at ayun na. Unti-unti nang nagdediyado, partner. Marines crossing the wire first, ridden by JG Serrano.
Ganda ng pagkadala ni
Si
Jericho.
King Bull, Hookshot, then Lollipop. 4-5-2-1. Panoorin natin replay ditong race number 4.